Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute water playing. Let's try knight f3. Maybe the Moscow attack could be a bit rare.
Check.
C4. Can I play Canal-Sokolsky? Oh, knight a4 would be interesting. Hang on. Alright, it's nice to castle though, but knight a4 might have been better. Is he just playing b5 here? Takes on a4. Can I play knight a4 anyway? I know I've got that horrible pawn on b3, so mission accomplished structurally for him. Actually, break begins the torture immediately. If I play rook b1, torturing my poor b pawn. Birds tweeting outside. A little bit there. Check. Does that do anything?
Check.
I guess not. I don't know. I've got the backward pawn here to look after. F4 for e5 creates more weaknesses. I can do it like that. F4 and e5 or f5. Maybe trying to break into his king side might be worth it. F5. F5. There's queen e5. E5 looks vaguely tempting. For e6 maybe. Need an accurate move here. I think he's going to gain a key tempo. Queen f4, there's knight d5. Or maybe just queen f3 after that. It's not totally end of world. 95 queen f3. Still got the f file. Got e6 potentially threatened. There's knight c3 to get rid of that knight. So otherwise it's a pretty good knight. My knight's crap at the moment, so okay, I accept he's got rook d3. Is that forced to be winning a pawn? Is he just won a pawn by force? I got rook c1, rook f1, hoping to have a little bit of play. There is a check. Perhaps a Caesar check. b4. My back row is probably a bit vulnerable here. Yeah. Oh, he's got Rook D2 just winning immediately. Oh, I'm a bit freaked out by his... Yeah. He's dominating the position by this point anyway. Oh, man.
Check.
Yeah, this is a bit... I don't think I got anything of interest for my style of play here from this opening. I don't think this really helped. A4, yeah, if he goes like this... Yeah, I had to play A4, it seems. Another one is knight C6 and A4, but I gotta stop B5. Yeah, it ends up just giving me a backward pawn, basically. End up with a poor backward pawn out of the opening. I thought for a moment I was getting back into things, but
Check.
He's got a dominating central queen now. He just is better, actually. He is. There's Queen E4, isn't there? Alright, the game could have carried on. The game could have carried on. Oh, what a moron. Oh, I've just resigned. I think I've been freaked out by his rating literally into resigning, just believing it's hopeless. Alright, it's still it's not even a pawn. It's less than a pawn. It's uncomfortable. Let's say it looks pretty uncomfortable anyway. But yeah, I should have played Queen E4 and the game on. Maybe I'm losing, but it's game on. I think I was down on the clock as well a bit. I think that was a concern. But I'm not happy. If I'm having the Maroczy bind to the backward B3 pawn transposition is not a good idea, I believe, as this game shows anyway. All right, comments, questions. Thanks.